Alyssia Kiamahuli?
Yes, ma'am.
Is that Hawaiian?
Yes.
Sounds like it's Hawaiian.
And you said it the right way.
Well, I'm trying to remember how many letters are in the Hawaiian alphabet. It's a lot less. Do you know?
No.
Yeah, they have less letters.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
didn't know.
Okay, so you have a public intoxication charge from last night at 11 p.m. Are you feeling okay today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ma'am, that's a Class C misdemeanor, punishable by fine only. It's $484. You're entitled to 1 day jail credit. You can plead not guilty, no contest, or guilty. If you are concerned about keeping this off of your record, like a criminal record, you could plead not guilty. I'll set a bond. Were you driving through, or tell me what's going on?
I'm actually a truck driver and decided to, go have a drink at the bar by the truck stop. And yeah,
Okay, so if you're, it's not a moving violation, but it is a Class C misdemeanor involving alcohol. Um, so, or whatever the intoxicant was. We have this thing called deferred disposition here in our court. Excuse me. And deferred disposition, you would, I would have to release you from the jail. You would have to come to our court on Monday. Um, and you could enter a plea of no contest, and we would defer or put off a finding of guilt. We also could have let you come to court on Monday, um, and we could reset the case if you needed time to come back because you have to pay the whole court fee all at once. It's $484. So if you're concerned about keeping it from being a conviction, it's kind of up to you. If
oh,
you go, you know what, that a conviction's not going to hurt me, and it's not going to hurt my CDL, then you could plead guilty or no contest. I'd find you guilty. I'd give you the 1 day jail credit. You'd still owe the 334. So you'd have to either show up on Monday or get it paid before Monday.
okay. Yes, I would prefer to do that because I'm actually under a load that I do need to have to Seattle. So I would be able to pay plead guilty to public intoxication. I talked to my boss this morning. It should not hurt my CDL. So
Okay, let me give you another option since you're headed through. The other option I could give you is I could set your bond hearing on Monday, or I could set it on Tuesday, but you would have to appear on Zoom on Monday at 3:30 Central Time, our time. Could you do that so that we could reset you if you are interested in doing deferred disposition? If you're like, no, it's okay, I can do it the other way, then we can do it the other way.
kind of hard to say. Both ways, I will be able to get released today to.
Either way, you get
Okay,
released.
let's set it for. And you said Zoom. I would be able to do Zoom.
Yeah, but you have to show up. Will did you get an email from her, Yahida?
Let me check. Yes.
Okay. So what we'll do is I can let you plead not guilty today. Well, let me ask you this. Can you pay the 484 on Monday?
I can pay it today. As soon as I get out, though, because my card is on.
Yeah, Haida, do you have the ability to convert that so she can make that payment online?
To put it like on a
If she wants to
deferred?
do if she wants to do deferred, can you do that? Because it's a mandatory.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Why don't I do this with you? Highly unusual, but I think we can do this. I will let you do deferred disposition right now. The deputy's going to give you he's going to give you a piece of paper. It's got a map of directions to our court. It also has the links that you go to make the payments. Yahida's going to get the software program available for you to make that payment online. You make that payment and I'll make a condition of it that it has to be paid by close of business on the 13th, which is Monday. But you go out, when you get out and go get your truck or whatever it's you got, get out there so you can go make that payment, okay? If you can't make the payment before you leave town, maybe you need to go somewhere in town and get a money order and drop off the money order. You know what I'm saying? Just make
Yeah.
sure you get it done before the 13th. I'm going to email you your deferred order, which you'll need to sign and return, okay?
Okay.
It goes to your spam a lot. I love the fact that I say spam a lot. I'm sorry, but often goes to people's spam. And so make sure if you don't see that link in like the next 2 or 3 or 4 days, it'll probably be by like Wednesday, that you contact the court and say, hey, the judge was sending me some paperwork I needed to sign and return. If you don't see that paperwork, you call the court and the phone number's on that paper, okay?
Okay, can you please confirm my email just to be sure? It's my first and last name at gmail.com.
Yeah. And
Yes.
well, you told you hi to that, but I want to respell your last name, Keamohuli.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, and standard spelling for your first name.
Yes.
Okay, just because we're on YouTube and there's like 5 people watching, so I just am trying to make sure I've got that correct. I don't want to tell everything. Okay, we're going to email that to you. You're going to need to sign it, write down your address, and send it back. So are you pleading no contest to public intoxication?
Yes, ma'am. That's for the deferred, right?
Mm-hmm. That's
Yes.
right. Okay, I will prepare your deferred order today. And we will email that to you. And Yahida, do you know how to make that code on I'm sorry, you don't ever do that. Sorry, I'm having this clerk who knows how to do all these other things do something that she doesn't normally do.
No, that's okay.
To restatuses for deferred.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's already done.
Oh, you're so amazing. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, and I'm going to show that for the next 90 days, you can't break the law. Make it a lifetime goal. Okay. And you have to make that payment of $484. So, hey, Deputy Anderson, will you write down that amount for her?
Yeah, well, what was it again?
484.
Okay,
You're going to go to the court's website and you just go like you're going to pay the ticket. Just go through the steps like I'm just going to pay the ticket. Our system here will override what you put in there. So don't try to find anything fancy. Don't try to find where it says to do deferred or anything. Just go online and say pay ticket. Okay? We override all that on our end to show that it's going to be deferred. Okay?
Good to know. Good to know.
Does that make sense to you?
Perfect sense. So let me confirm. So deferred will go to my email, pay the payment before the 13th, and I will be able to be released today.
Yeah. Yeah, you're fixing to get out.
Cool. Right on.
Okay. And I'm making your deferred order right now. And she does already have it ready for you to go online and make that payment.
Thank you. I really appreciate you.
You're welcome. Good luck. Be safe.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.